previous lecture, I completed exercise 2.3 and now we'll start with exercise 2.4. It is totally based on division of fractions, students. So let's begin with the question number 1 of it. Question number 1 is, students, find first question 12 divided by 3 by 4. 12 divided by 3 by 4. Students, how to solve it? That is very important here because it is not your multiplication. So just here look. So 12 divided by 3 by 4. First of all, students, convert this division sign into multiplication sign and then after do the reciprocal of the next fraction. So next number also it can be there, it can be next fraction also. So 3 by 4, reciprocal of it will be 4 by 3. Reciprocal means to do the reverse. That means numerator will come in the denominator and denominator will go in the numerator. Now 3 ones are, 3 fours are, so 4 fours are, it is 16. Right? Now moving to the next question, students. 14 division sign convert into multiplication sign. 5 by 6 do the reciprocal of it, so 6 by 5. Now nothing can be cut, so directly will be multiplying and we can do the division. So 14 6 it is 84 upon 5. 6 4 are 24, 6 plus 12, 6 plus 6 plus 2, so 8. 84 by 5. Now we can, as it is an improper fraction, so we can write it in a mixed fraction. So 16 5s is 80 and remaining 4. Is it okay, students? Right? Now, moving to the third question. 8. Division sign convert into multiplication sign and do the reciprocal. So 7 by 3 will become 3 by 7. So 8 3s are 24 upon 7. As it is an improper fraction, so I am converting into mixed one. So 3 7s are 21 plus 3. So we'll get 24. Next, fourth question, student. 4 divided by 8 upon 3. So division sign convert into multiplication sign and reciprocal of it. So 3 by 8. 4 1s are, 4 2s are. So the answer is 3 by 2. It is an improper fraction. So again you can convert into mixed fraction. So 1 integer 1 upon 2. Next one is 3 divided by, see students, this is a mixed fraction. So first convert it into improper. So 2 3s are 6 plus 1. So it is 7 upon 3. Division sign convert into multiplication sign and do the reciprocal of it. So 3 3s are 9 by 7. So 9 by 7 is an improper fraction, students. So convert it into mixed fraction. So 1 integer 2 upon 7. So this is the answer for this question. Next one, again this is an question of mixed fraction. So 5 divided by, first convert this into improper. So 3 7s are 21 plus 4. 21 plus 4, 25 upon 7, 5 multiplied by reciprocal, so 7 upon 25. So 5 1s are, 5 5s are, so it is 7 upon 5 and we can write the mixed fraction 1 integer 2 by 5. It's fine. So is it okay, students? Okay, students, now let's see the question number 2, right? The question number 2 is, find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. That means what are the fractions you can see here? You have to do the reciprocal of it. Then after, we have to classify the reciprocals as proper fractions, improper fraction and a whole numbers. So first find the reciprocal, then you have to say whether it is a proper, improper or whole. Is it okay? So let's begin it. So first one is 3 by 7. So reciprocal of it will be 7 upon 3. Now tell them this is a proper, improper or a whole number. This is an improper fraction. The reason is numerator is greater. Next one is 8 upon 5. Again it is an improper fraction. Next one 9 upon 7. It will be 7 upon 9. Here the denominator is greater, so it is a proper fraction. 6 upon 5. So we will write 5 by 6. So it will also become proper fraction. 12 by 7, so it will become 7 by 12, right? So 7 by 12, it is a proper fraction. 1 by 8, it will become 8 upon 1. 8 upon 1, you can also write as 8 also. That means it's a complete number, it's a whole number, student. Next one 1 by 11 again will become 11 upon 1, or you can write 11 only. Again it is a whole number. Is it okay to all of you? Okay students, now let's see the question number 3, right? 7 by 3 divided by 2. So 7 by 3 divided by 2, first of all, as I told you, we need to change the sign of division into multiplication, and the next number we have to do the reciprocal. So 2 is there, so we have to write 1 by 2. So here I am writing 1 by 2. Now 7 ones are 7 and 3 twos are 6. This is an improper fraction, so you can convert it into mixed fraction. Is it okay? 1 integer 1 upon 6. Next one is 4 by 9 divided by 5. So division sign convert into multiplication, then we'll do the reciprocal of it. 4 ones are 4 and 9 fives are 45. Now this is a proper fraction, so there is no need to convert it into another one. Next one, 6 upon 13, division sign convert into multiplication sign, and 7 is there, so we will do the reciprocal of it. We'll get 1 upon 7 students. So 6 ones are 6 and 13 7 that is 91, right? So next fourth question, 4 threes are 12 plus 1, 13 upon 3 divided by 3. So 13 by 3 division sign convert into multiplication sign, and we'll do the reciprocal of 3. So 1 by 3. So 13 ones are 13 and 3 threes are 9. This is an improper fraction, so we'll convert it into mixed fraction students. So 1 integer 4 by 9. Next question, 3 twos are 6 plus 1. So 7 by 2 divided by 4. So 7 by 2 division sign convert into multiplication sign, and we'll do the reciprocal of 4. So 1 by 4, right? 7 ones are 7 and 2 fours are 8. This is a proper fraction, so there is no need to convert it into mixed fraction. Last question students, 4 sevens are 28. 7 fours are 28. 28 plus 3 students will get 31 divided by 7. So division sign convert into multiplication sign and do the reciprocal of 7. So if you don't know the reciprocal, you can consider that we have the denominator as 1. So उल्टा करेंगे तो 1 by 7 हो जाएगा. So now 31 ones are 31 and 7 sevens are 49. This is a proper fraction, so there is no need to convert it into mixed one. Okay students, now let's see the last question of this exercise. That's question number 4, right? First question, 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. Here both are fractions, so fraction to fraction division is there, right students? So how to solve it? Just have a look here. 2 by 5 division sign students convert it into multiplication sign, right? And 1 by 2 will write the reciprocal of it, so 2 by 1. Now 2 twos are 4 and 5 ones are 5. This is a proper fraction, there is no need to convert it into mixed one. Next one, second, 4 by 9 division sign convert into multiplication, and it will become 3 by 2 reciprocal. Now 2 ones are and 2 twos are, 3 ones are and 3 threes are. So the answer becomes 2 by 3. Now move to the third question. So 3 by 7 division sign convert into multiplication, and with the reciprocal, so 7 by 8. 7 7 cuts, so it will become 3 by 8. Now fourth question students, 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7 upon 3 divided by 3 by 5. So now we'll do the reciprocal, so 5 by 3. So 7 5s are 35 and 3 3s are 9. So here students, we are getting the answer as a improper, so we can convert it into mixed one. So we'll get 3 9s are 27 and 35 minus 27 will get 8. So 3 integer 8 upon 9 is your answer for the fourth question. Now let's see the fifth question students. So 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7 upon 2. This is a mixed fraction, so I have converted it into improper one. So divide by 8 upon 3. So 7 upon 2 division sign convert into multiplication sign. We'll do the reciprocal. So 3 upon 8. Now nothing can be cut. So 7 3s are 21 and 2 8s are 16. This is an improper, so we have to convert it into mixed. So 1 integer 5 upon 16. Right? Next one, seventh question. 2 by 5 divided by 1 2s are 2 plus 1, so 3 by 2. So 2 by 5 division sign convert into multiplication. Do the reciprocal, so 2 by 3. So 2 2s are 4 and 5 3s are 50. This is a proper fraction, so there is no need to convert it into mixed. Seventh question. 3 5s are 15 plus 1, so 16 upon 5. Division sign 1 3s are 3 plus 2, 5 by 3. Now we have to change the sign of division into multiplication, students. So 3 upon 5, right? Now nothing can be cut, so 16 3s are 48 and 5 5s are 25. Now we can convert it into mixed one because it's an improper fraction, so 125s are 25. So we'll get 23 as the remainder. So moving to the last question of this exercise, students. 2 5s are 10 plus 1, so 11 upon 5. 1 5s are 5 plus 1, so 6 upon 5. Now we'll do the reciprocal, so 5 will come in the numerator, 6 will go down. So we get 11 by 6, students. Now we'll convert this into improper. This is an improper, so we'll convert it into mixed fraction. So 1 6 are 6 plus 5 will get 11. I hope, students, you understood this entire exercise, right? 2.4.
आभार।